I just prepared the pork chops, chili spicy, and onions, ginger, spices, pepper, and garlic. And chicken, I just want to marinate the chicken. I just add the salt, spices, yes, and then I add the soy sauce. Yeah, for today's video, I just want to cook adobo. Just put the oil and you're going to brown. Yes, and then you just mix the ginger, spices, onion, garlics. Yes, and brown already now, and I just put the, yeah, I already to mix. Yeah, when you mix that, is going to what you call that, soy sauce. And then now it is coming to cook. You just trying to mix. Yeah, it's watering. When you cook, guys, the chicken adobo, you don't add the water, only the chicken, and add the pork chops. And then now it is coming cooking. Yeah, it looks delicious. Yeah, finally it's cooked already now. Yeah, you can see, guys, it's very delicious and a good smell. Yeah, just mixing a little bit. I just add on the pepper and spicy little bit. Yes, chicken adobo. Let's eat. Yeah, it's already cooked now, guys. It's very delicious, that chicken adobo.
Hello guys, how are you for today? For today's video, I just want cooking. So I just want to chismis with you guys because I'm alone, so I just make a content. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, Belinda Philippines Adventure. I am new YouTuber channel. Hope you just supporting my channel. So for today's video, I just wanna talk about the jealousy or tampo. Let's go. Hi guys, how are you guys? My name is Belinda from the Philippines. My name of my YouTube channel is Belinda Philippines Adventure. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. I am new YouTuber channel. So for today's video, I just wanna talk about the jealousy person or tampo. For me, as that is said, I am a jealousy person, but no, I am not say something like I am jealousy if, yeah, the Filipina, you are not jealous if you don't have reason. So for me, that's my attitudes is genuine. I am a type person genuine, and I want to show my true color, because while the girlfriend and boyfriend, you want to show your color. Don't keep, because it is not easy. Like for example, you are getting married, and then you just after mga like 8 years, how many years, and then you just come up the true colors, and then you just broke to each other. So it's same as usual. So while the girlfriend and boyfriend, you show your true color, right? For me as a person, like I am a very expected 100%, or like assuming 100%, but I am a type person, a very genuine, and I want to show the true colors. So that's very wrong with me. But for me, I'm not exactly I'm wrong that I want to show, right? Because while the girlfriend and boyfriend supposed to be, you don't keep your attitudes. You want to show your attitudes, even that your girlfriend and you are boyfriend and girlfriend. So because sometimes you are not really to found it that you are girlfriend, that they have something doing, and then you are not sharing with you, and then you just found out for how many years to know to each other. So much better that while a girlfriend or boyfriend, you can show to each other both your attitudes. If you're not accept your attitudes, so why not? You are not compatible. So God, who knows that that person is compatible to each other. So you just you know, you just doing like to, you know, to far away both of us because they have something not compatible to each other. So as a like for a tampo, something you're not pay attention. Yeah, for example, you're Filipina, like they have something like, and then you are really shy to share, you are really shy to talk, because you know that, as say earlier, is you can show the true color. You just directly to talk about that. You are not something shy or keeping. So almost that a Filipina like that is like you know, you are not showing the real attitudes. But supposed to be for me is I really to show my real attitude, because I am a type person, a very genuine. I want to share, and then I'm not really care about my attitudes to showing my boyfriend, my ex-boyfriend before. So it's I very wrong for me. And then yeah, I admit that I'm not perfect, because it is a first time to me for a relationship for a foreigner. So I'm very wrong for my side that uh, sometimes that I overreacting, or like tap something like that, that I thought that even that I show the real attitude is you just you know, uh, something naturally to effective take personality or take personal, but that's really a fake. That's the reason, like you stressing also, and then I'm too much to stressing also. So it is not good to our relationship like that. It's like over the top. So that's why for me I learning about that. So that as usual, a jealousy is a normal for culture here in the Philippines. Yes, and then that the tampo is, for example, I have something to tell or something to get, and then you are not to something listen, or you are not to believe that what are you said about that. So that's like tampo or something like that. They have a lot difference of tampo about the things that you like to get. So for me, I really focusing for, you know, for myself as a being independent woman. Like for example, even that I have a ex-boyfriend partner before, I'm always to something to looking for source of income for myself. So yeah, that I have something to, you know, my own. So it's much better that like that. And then yeah, that's my topic for today's, guys. Yes, for right now I just want to slowly to moving on and heal, because for me now, right now, it's a very fresh and very new to something happened that I'm not expected. Yes, that's I have a lot that asking for myself and my mind, a lot's going on, but now I understand. I understand what I that how I feel with me, like especially like living alone, uh something that your, you know, side you are not understanding, and then you are not understanding that or what happened. So they have something like so hard and a lot like something behind the judgment or something like that. So it is not easy, but you know, you just keep going. I'm doing, keep the going. So never give up. Yeah, right now I focusing for myself. Yes, thank you so much guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Belinda Philippines Adventure. Bye bye, don't forget to subscribe my channel guys.